Semrush Keyword Research Tutorial 2021. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Semrush and its keyword research tool to better optimize your website and how you can get traction onto your website and start to sell your products and grow your business. So let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to semrush.com. Now once you're over here on this website, you just simply have to log in. So you can log in by clicking on the get free trial button at the top over here or in the middle over here. But before we do that, let's just take a look around and see if we can find something that can help us understand better for this website. So as we can see over here, it won the 2019's Best Digital Tool. It won the European Search Award for Best SEO Software, and it won the US's Search Award 2019 for the Best SEO Software Suite. So as you can see, it's won quite a lot of awards. And it is so, which indicates that it is one of the best tools, search engine optimization tools out there. So let's just go ahead and get started with our free trial. Click on get free trial, and once we do that, we just simply have to create an account. We can do that by clicking on continue with Google, or you can do that by simply entering in your email and password and clicking on create your account. But I'm gonna go ahead and click on continue with Google because I think that is more easier and it saves a lot of time. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up, and once you have done that, they're basically going to ask you for your name and your number. So go ahead and provide them with your name and number, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. So once you've done that, they're basically going to ask you for a subscription fee over here. So over here, you just simply have to enter in your credit card number, its expiration dates and stuff like that. And you have to enter in your name, phone number, business name, and other standard information as well. If you're worried that they're going to take a small percentage of fee from your account, then you don't have to worry, because as we can see over here in the receipt summary, the purchase summary or receipt, our total charge is $0. That's because we're on a 7-day free trial, and we can use Semrush for about 7 days as well. And this trial right before it ends, so you don't have to worry about it. It doesn't cost us anything. We're just providing our card information over here so that we can have access to its amazing tools. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter these details, and I will catch you guys in the next step. So now we see that our payment has been successful, and we can now start using Semrush. So go ahead and click on start using Semrush. And over here, they're basically going to ask you a few questions. They're basically asking you to customize your workflow. So they're happy to have you, and now you have to describe you or your company. So whether it's an in-house production or an agency, consultant or freelancer, consultant/freelancer, startup or others. So I'm going to go ahead and click on in-house, and next they're going to ask you how long have you been working with SEO. I'm going to click on less than 6 months. And one last thing, what are your areas of interest? So I'm interested in social media and content marketing, and click on continue. And once you've done that, we will be able to see our dashboard. So this is our dashboard, and over here we will be able to find and do all sorts of different things. So over here we're basically doing a topic research, so we can find some topics and do a little bit of research. So let's just go ahead and search for face mask, get content ideas, and over here let it load a little bit. It's going to take a little bit time because it's searching the entire web. While it loads up, let me just tell you about all these different things that we have over here. So over here we have SEO. This is the main thing that we're about to do. Then we have local SEO, then we have advertisements, we have social media, and content marketing. So this was content marketing, this particular area that I'm in right now. Then we have competitive research and agency solutions. So let me just go ahead and tell you a little bit about SEO. So click on SEO, and over here click on SEO dashboard. We'll get to the marketing in a little bit. First we gotta find something that we want to search for. So click on keyword search for, go to keyword overview. So this is how the SEO dashboard looks like on Semrush. And over here straight up we have to enter in a domain to set up a project, and down below we have competitive research, we have keyword research, we have link building, rank tracking, and on page and tech SEOs. So let's just go ahead and do a little bit of research for keyword research, and come over to the left side, and down here in keyword research section, click on keyword overview. So these are all the keywords that have been searched by in different areas of countries. So over here, as you can see, the total volume is 246,000, and total results are 1.3 billion in the last week. Now that is a lot of search, guys. And if we look down below, we have face masks with an S, So this is the one we searched. So as you can see, it has 165,000 volumes. And over here, this is the trend. So if we look at trend, we see this small graph over here. We can see that it was up and it started going down. I believe that it was up when the pandemic hit the first one, and it started to go down. And as you can see, the KD, which is very hard, it is about 88%. And we need to find a keyword that is less, which is easy, which is possible to grow our channel, so which is also unique and doesn't get flooded with other big websites. Which is a great point, which makes me come to a point. Let me tell you about it. So let me just give you an example. So let's just say that you're a new smartphone company. You just started out, you just launched your first product. You're not going to go ahead and compete with Apple straight up, because Apple is already a well-established company. Everyone knows it. It's a go-to brand. Everyone will go towards Apple instead of you, because you're new, you haven't proven yourself, and you don't have the uniqueness. So we have to keep that in mind. We don't want to go ahead and compete with the big boys. We have to first become a big boy so to compete with them. So keep that in mind. That is what the KD percentage is here for, to show us KD keyword difficulty. So as you can see, face mask is 91%, which is very hard. I don't think you'll be able to go ahead and compete with all the other face masks as well. So if you look at the keyword difficulties, so let's just say that this one is over here, this one is possible, it's at 48%. So it's an Old Navy face mask. So if we do that, we see that its volume is 49,000. So its CPC, which is clicks per cost in the US, actually is 0, and its competitive density is 0, which means that this keyword doesn't have any competitors. And its SERP features, which is short for search engine result page, is also +6, which means that when someone searches for this one, it's going to be at the top, and it has about 52 million results as of last week, which I think is very awesome. So you can go ahead and use this keyword and implement this keyword in your website, so to make it stand out and be reachable. Same goes for this one, antiviral face mask. It's also at 50%. It's a little bit difficult than this one, but it's still doable. So let's just go ahead and find a keyword that has a less KD. So this one over here. So this is Johnny Was face masks. So this keyword over here, it doesn't make any sense, but maybe that's because it is a good keyword. So it has 18,000 volumes, and it has 32% KD and 0 CPC and 0 competitive density, and it has a +5 search engine results page. So it has 5 pages for it, and its also result is 33.7 million since the last week, which I think is very amazing. So that is how you find some keywords, and you find them over here on Semrush. And over here on the left side, if we choose it by numbers, we can see that the word full has about 8,000 views. So if we click on full, we will have snorkelings, will have cove. Let's just click on snorkelings and see how it is. So full snorkelings over here, full face snorkel mask. So if we put the word full in front of our original keyword, it would have a better effect. So as you can see, all of these are in green, and none of these are in difficulties, because let's just take this one for example. It's 20, it's easy. You will need quality content focused on this keyword's intensity, which is easy. We can work with this keyword, we can make something out of this keyword, and we can work this one as well, but it is a bit too long. I don't think people are going to search for this specific word, so we can leave that out as well. So that is it, guys. That is how you find some keywords, and you can see which ones are which. So if you're thinking how you can manage these keywords, let me just go ahead and show you. So if we choose this keyword, let's just click on add, and over here let's just enter in our list. Let's just create one. Click on this green arrow and it will be saved to that list. Let's click on, and then we'll go to keyword manager, and over here what I want you guys to do is all lists. First you need to select a keyword up to 1,000 that you'd like to add to a list. So basically what that means is you have to select up to 1,000 keywords, and then you'll be added them to your list, and then you can add that list to your website into its search engine optimization tool. And that is basically it, guys. That is how you optimize your website and get a lot of traffic. Try to find those keywords that have a less keyword difficulty and has a lot of results. and also has some good SERP as well. So that is it for this video, guys. That was the main part of this video. That is the thing that I wanted to show you guys most about Semrush and how its search engine or tool is one of the best in the world. As I showed you, as I demonstrated you right now, it is one of the best ones out there. And if we click on social media, you can also use its social media tool to have better traction to your social media pages as well. So having said that, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification, guys. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.